Welcome in Education Success. Today we will discuss MCQs on requirement analysis. When boundary of the system is not specified clearly, then it leads to options are A. Problems of understanding, problems of volatility, problem of scope, all of the above. Correct answer is here problem of scope. When boundary of the system is not specified, then it is problems of scope. Which is not a step of requirement engineering. Options are A. Requirements elicitation, requirements analysis, requirements design, and requirements documentation. Correct answer is here requirements design. It is not a step of requirement engineering. Conflicting requirements are handled through. Options are A. Requirement negotiation, B. Requirements organization, C. Requirements documentation, D. Requirements prioritization. Correct answer is here requirement negotiation. Conflicting requirements are handled through requirements negotiation. Technique for translating user requirements into technical requirements. Options are A. SRS, B. QFD, C. UML, D. None of the above. Correct answer is QFD. QFD stands for Quality Function Development. It is a quality management technique used for translating user requirements into technical requirements. SRD stands for options are A. Software requirements definition, B. Structured requirements definition, C. Software requirements diagram, D. Structured requirement diagram. Correct answer is structured requirement definition. SRD stands for structured requirements definition. The term SRS stands for options A. Software requirement specification, B. Software refining solution, C. Software resource source, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Software requirement specification. SRS stands for software requirements specification. Which document is created by system analyst after the requirements are collected from various stakeholders? Options are A. Software requirement specification, B. Software requirement validation, C. Feasibility study, D. Requirements gathering. Correct answer is structured requirements specification. This document is created by system analyst after the requirements are collected from various stakeholders. Which of the following is the characteristics of SRS? Options are A. Verifiable, B. Complete, C. Consistent, D. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Because SRS has following characteristics: correct, complete, clear, verifiable, consistent, and stability. So all of the above are the characteristics of SRS. Which property of SRS ensures that there are no conflicting requirements in SRS? Options are A. Complete, B. Correct, C. Clear, D. Consistent. Correct answer is consistent. This property ensures that there are no conflicting requirements in SRS. The SRS is said to be consistent if and only if options are A. Its structure and style are such that any changes to the requirements can be made easily while retaining the style and structure. B. Every requirement stated therein there is one that the software shall meet. C. Every requirement stated therein is verifiable, and D. No subset of individual requirements described in it conflict with each other. Here the correct answer is B. Every requirement stated therein one that the software shall meet. Check which ensures all constraints and functions are bounded and specified clearly in SRS is. Options are A. Validity, B. Verifiability, C. Completeness, D. Realism. Correct answer is here completeness. It is the check which ensures all the constraints and functions are bounded and specified clearly. That called completeness. Which of the following property of SRS is depicted by the statement? Conformity to a standard is maintained. Options are A. Correct, B. Complete, C. Consistent, D. Modifiable. Here the answer is modifiable, which stated that conformity to a standard is maintained. The SRS document is also known as which specification? Options are A. Black box, B. White box, C. Grey box, D. None of the above. Correct answer is here black box. SRS document is also known as black box. Which of the following is included in SRS? Options are A. Cost, B. Design constraint, C. Staffing, D. Delivery schedule. Correct answer is here design constraint. Consider the following statement. The product should have a good human interface. What characteristics of SRS is being depicted here? Options are A. Consistent, B. Non-verifiable, C. Correct, D. Ambiguous. Correct answer is here non-verifiable. Consider the statement. The output of a program shall be given within 10 seconds of event X 10% of the time. What characteristics of SR is depicted here? Options are A. Consistent, B. Verifiable, C. Non-verifiable, D. Correct. Here the answer is verifiable. Which of the following is not included in SRS? Options are A. Performance, B. Functionality, C. Design solution, D. External interfaces. The correct answer is here functionality. It is not included in SRS. Which component should be designed and implemented so that it can be reused in many different programs? Options are A. Reusability, B. Effectiveness, C. Flexibility, D. None of the above. Correct answer is here reusability. It is the component that should be designed and implemented. That's so what? It can be reused in many different programs. In Maxwell software quality factors, product operation phase dash not contains. Options are A. Correctness, B. Reliability, C. Usability, D. Flexibility. Here the correct answer is usability. Software quality factor product operation phase does not contain usability. Product operation phase does not contain usability. In Maxwell software quality factors, product revision phase does not contain which one? Options are A. Maintainability, B. Flexibility, C. Testability, D. Portability. Correct answer is here maintainability. Product revision phase does not contain maintainability. In the Maxwell software quality factors, product transition phase does not contain. Options are A. Portability, B. Reusability, C. Interoperability, D. Testability. Correct answer is here testability. Product transition phase does not contain testability. The property of software in which software product may be adapted to changes of specification. Options are A. Maintainability, B. Flexibility, C. Testability, D. Portability. Correct answer is here portability. It is the property of software in which software product may be adapted or accepted the changes of specification. It is the ability of software system to protect their various components against unauthorized access and modification. Options are A. Correctness, B. Reliability, C. Usability, D. Integrity. Here the correct answer is integrity. It is the ability of software system to protect their various components against unauthorized access or modification. Which is the probability that the software will operate correctly over specified time interval? Options are A. Correctness, B. Reliability, C. Usability, D. Flexibility. Here the answer is flexibility. It is the probability that the software will operate correctly over specified time interval. Which is the compactness of the program in terms of lines of code? Options are A. Conciseness, B. Consistency, C. Data commonality, and D. Error tolerance. Here the correct answer is conciseness. It is the compactness of the program in terms of lines of code, that is LOC. Dash the use of uniform design and documentation technique throughout the software development project. Options are A. Conciseness, B. Consistency, C. Data commonality, D. Error tolerance. Correct answer is here consistency. It used of uniform design and documentation technique throughout the software development project. A primary goal of software engineering is to improve the dash and to increase the productivity and the job satisfaction of software engineers. Options are A. Quality of software product, B. Satisfaction of product, C. Flexibility, D. None of the above. Correct answer is here quality of software product. A primary goal of software engineering is to improve the quality of software product and to increase the productivity and job satisfaction. A fundamental principle of software engineering is to design software products that minimize the intellectual distance between dash and solution. Options are A. Method, B. Process, C. Product, D. Problem. Here the correct answer is method. A fundamental principle of software engineering is to design the software product that minimize the intellectual distance between methods and solutions. Which is the outgrowth of hardware and system engineering? Options are A. Software engineering, B. Requirement engineering, C. System engineering, D. None of the above. Correct answer is here requirement engineering. It is the outgrowth of hardware and system engineering. Arrange the given sequence to form a SRS prototype outline as per the IEEE SRS standards. Options are A. General description, B. Introduction, C. Index, D. 4 appendices, and 5th specific requirements. Here the correct sequence is introduction, then general description, then specific requirements, then appendix, and then index. So the sequence is 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. In the requirement analysis, which model depicts the information domain for the problem? Options are A. Data models, B. Class-oriented models, C. Scenario-based models, and D. Flow-oriented models. The correct answer is here data models. It depicts the information domain for the problem. Which validation technique takes care of changing needs of the user? Options are A. Requirement reviews, B. Prototyping, C. Test case generation, D. All of these. The correct answer is here prototyping. It takes care of changing needs of the user. Which is an element of analysis model? Options are A. Class-based elements, B. Data flow models, C. Artifact elements, D. Architectural elements. Options correct answer is here class-based elements. It is an element of analysis model. In the requirement analysis, which model depicts how the software behaves as a consequences of external events? Options are A. Class-oriented model, B. Scenario-based models, C. Flow-oriented models, D. Behavioral models. Correct answer is here behavioral model, which depicts how the software behaves as a consequences of external events. The process together the software requirements from client, analyze and document is known as. Options are A. Requirement engineering process, B. Requirement elicitation process, C. User interface requirements, D. Software system analysis. Correct answer is here requirement engineering process. In which elicitation process the developers discuss with the client? and the end user and know their expectations from the software. Options are A. Requirement gathering, B. Organizing requirements, C. Negotiation and discussion, D. Documentation. Here the correct answer is requirement gathering. It is the process where the developer discusses with the client and end user to know their expectations from the software. How many feasibility studies is conducted in requirement analysis? Options are A 2, B 3, C 4, D none of them mentioned. Correct answer is here 3. 3 feasibility studies is conducted in requirement analysis. Which of the following is not a diagram studied in requirement analysis? Options are A. Use case, B. Entity relation, that is ER diagram, C. State transition diagram, and D. Activity diagram. The correct answer is here ER diagram, that is entity relationship diagram, is not a diagram studied in requirement analysis. The result of requirements engineering tasks is an analysis model that defines which of the following problem domains. Options are A. Information, B. Functional, C. Behavioral, D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. In collaborative requirements gathering, the facilitator, options are A. Arrange the meeting place, B. Cannot be a customer, C. Controls the meeting, D. Must be an outsider. Here the correct answer cannot be a customer. In a collaborative requirement gathering, the facilitator cannot be a customer. 3 things that makes the requirements elicitation difficult are problems of. Options are A. Volatility, B. Scope, C. Understanding, D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. Which of the following is not a UML diagram used creating a system analysis model? Options are A. Activity diagram, B. Class diagram, C. Data flow diagram, D. State diagram. Here the correct answer is data flow diagram. It is not a UML diagram used for creating a system analysis model. Requirement engineering process includes which of these steps? Options are A. Feasibility study, B. Requirement gathering, C. Software requirement specification and validation, and D. All mentioned above. The correct answer is here all mentioned above. Which of the following property does not correspond to a good software requirement specification? Options are A. Verifiable, B. Ambiguous, C. Complete, D. Traceable. The correct answer is here ambiguous. A use case have different. Options are A. Actors, B. Scenario, C. Nodes, D. Attributes. The correct answer is here scenario. A use case have different scenarios. A state machine diagram depicts a dash of a system. Options are A. Actor, B. Behavior, C. Class, D. Relationship. Correct answer is here behavior. A state machine diagram depicts the behavior of a system. A primary actor dash the execution of a use case. Options are A. Triggers, B. Aids, C. Defines, D. Proposes. The correct answer is here triggers. A primary actor triggers the execution of a use case. To get the more videos of software engineering, kindly like and subscribe the channel. For your any suggestion, write in comment box. To give the MCQ test on this content, kindly see the link given in the description box. Thank you.